If Cursor AI is giving you the error calling tool edit file, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll go through the most reliable solutions so you can get Cursor working again, edit your code smoothly, and avoid the same problem in the future. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're opening the full project workspace, not just a single loose file. Cursor's edit file tool can fail when it doesn't have enough folder context, so instead of opening one file by itself, go to File, then choose Open Folder, and select your project's root directory. This gives Cursor the full structure of your app or project, which helps the AI understand where the file lives and how the code connects to everything else. A lot of people miss this step and keep getting the same error over and over, so this is the best place to start. Once your full project is open, try the edit again and see if the issue is resolved. If the error still happens, the next fix is to instruct the AI to edit in smaller chunks. Sometimes the problem appears when you ask Cursor to rewrite too much code at once. Large edits can overwhelm the tool and cause the edit file command to fail, especially in bigger projects or long files. To solve that, add a simple instruction to your prompt like, please edit the file in small chunks. That tells Cursor to break the work into smaller, more manageable changes instead of trying to handle everything in one go. This often makes the tool much more stable and reduces the chance of errors during editing. If you're working with a long function, a large component, or a full page rewrite, this small chunk approach can make a huge difference. Now, if you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is reset the chat session and restart Cursor. Over time, chat context can become corrupted or overloaded, especially after a long back and forth with multiple edits and revisions. The simplest fix is to start a new chat by clicking the plus button in the top right corner. That gives you a clean conversation with no old context causing conflicts. If that doesn't solve it, fully close Cursor AI, reopen the application, then open your project again and try the edit once more. Restarting clears temporary issues and can fix bugs that are only happening in the current session. In many cases, one of these three methods will solve the edit file error right away. So just to recap, open the full folder workspace, ask Cursor to edit in small chunks, and if needed, start a new chat or restart the app completely. If you want to save time and avoid frustration, these are the first fixes I would always try before anything else. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech fixes and AI coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.